What's going on, y'all? You're watching the Turn Left Racing Network YouTube channel. Getting ready to get some work in on the 1992 Honda Civic hatchback. This is it. We got it all packed up in the garage. Picked this car up off of Facebook for 600 bucks. It was pretty well gutted when I got it, but we got this sound deadening stuff. Every ounce counts as far as weight that we don't need on the car. We take it off. Plus this could get in the way from of doing any fabrications. You see how thick it is, you can see, but there's not much of it. But I got a ton of dry ice and rubbing alcohol, 70% isopropyl alcohol. We're gonna crush up the dry ice, spread it out across all of the sound deadening material, dump alcohol on it, let it freeze, and then we're gonna knock it off with a hammer, hopefully see how it works. I have a couple holes I need to plug, not sure just yet how I'm gonna plug them, but I'll figure it out. And that's about it. Let's get to it. Dumped it in there. Looks pretty cool. You can already hear it cracking. Car. Like 2 bags. Looks to be plenty. So this is gonna be our first video, kind of official video. I'm gonna make the commitment to continue to put out videos and kind of show the progress on this build. The goal is to get it ready to race in the SCDRA. We got a long way to go. Motor's still not in it. We did get the motor back from the machine shop. Still got a lot to work on that to get it buttoned up and ready to put in the car. But the car is far from that, so just step by step, little by little. It's basically gonna be a brand new car, pretty much all new components on it. So we're gonna go out there and give it our best, make sure we bring a good piece, so only I'm to blame when we don't put it in victory lane. So giving this a few more minutes to freeze, and then we're gonna start knocking it off. Check it out. All right, so I'm gonna scoop all this stuff out. Bring it, just dump it on the other side. Save materials. How this did. I'm gonna hit it from the bottom. See what happens. What's this? Oh, brake lines, nice. Nothing here. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Deluxe. Good stuff. That's how I guess it's done. Spread it around real quick. You're cracking. Alright. So we missed on the first one. Show you now. Pretty neat. It's probably all legal through because I ran out of rag. Actually, surprisingly isn't. Alright y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. We got it all up just about. I'm gonna get it all cleaned up, vacuum this out, and be ready to go. I mean, there's not much else we can take off, but we gotta start putting stuff back on. Check back in with us, thanks.
Deluxe.